Hello, I'm Holger. I'm the pastry chef of Rosewood, Hong Kong. Today we do a Mille feuille. Enjoy! We roll out the puff pastry. Traditionally, yes, we bake it in the oven, but I will do it in the panini machine and I bake it around 5-6 minutes. When it's fully baked, take it out and dust it with icing sugar. Now we caramelize it in the oven. We take it out of the oven, cool it down, cut it in the required size. The vanilla and the cream, we bring it to 70-80 degrees. And this we pour over the white chocolate and the gelatin. We combine it with a spatula. Take the entire mixture and blend it with a hand blender. This mixture go in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, better overnight. You take your mixture out and you put them in a mixer. Whisk it up again and you have a slight soft texture. Fill it up in 2 different bags with 2 different nozzles. We take the puff pastry on the bottom, we pipe dots all around. It's roughly like 3 layers with dots. So on top we put the second layer of puff pastry, again 3 rows with around 10-12 dots. Combine it, flip it over, then decoration in the end, and finish it with a dark chocolate decoration.